Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you to make these sandwiches in two ways. Firstly I'm making it first way is this and second way is this. I will show you how to make these sandwiches. So these are the cabbage sandwiches I'm trying to make. So these are very simple and easy recipe, and cabbage is a green vegetable, so that's why it is very healthy also. So please guys, if you like this recipe, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. And guys, you can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also to see my videos on Facebook. Please press the watch video button and download my app Damini's Kitchen also. Let's start making it. So guys, for making these cabbage sandwiches, I have taken the following ingredients. Firstly, I have cut down the cabbage into small size. You can see, chop them into very tiny size. Some coriander leaves, one full cabbage leaf. I have cut down to two pieces for two sandwiches. And here I have taken some chopped tomatoes and some chopped onions. Some breads I have taken. Some eggless mayonnaise you need to take. You can take eggless mayonnaise or mayonnaise with eggs. And here you need to take some tomato ketchup and one empty bowl I have taken to mix all these ingredients. So before starting this video, please get my channel, subscribe and like my videos if you like it guys. You can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also to see directly my videos on Facebook. Please press the watch video button on Facebook. So please cooperate and please subscribe, and you can download my app to directly assist to my channel guys. So please download my app. Link is given in description, and check the description below. I have given some important links in description also. So I have purchased this from Amazon. So I have given this link to purchase this link from Amazon. So please check this link and check the products from Amazon from the link in the description. So let's start making the recipe. I'm adding these all vegetables except these full leaves into this. So add all these vegetables into a bowl quickly. After adding these vegetables, I'm adding some salt in it. Just add little salt in it. I'm adding just less than 1/4 tablespoon of salt and mix it once. Now add this mayonnaise into it. I'm adding approximately 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise into it, and now you need to mix it properly. So mix all the ingredients properly and make a paste. You can add mayonnaise more if you want. After mixing these all, take a bread and apply this mixture over it like this. Cover it and cover the edges also. Now you can see that all the bread get covered. And now add this leaf. This leaf can be big, so that's why I'm cutting the size with the help of this clean scissor. So cut these leaves into 2 halves and now put it on the bread. You can add the tomatoes also. And now press it like this. Now I will toss a sandwich on this griddle. I will make these sandwiches on tawa and griddle. You can make it on grill maker, but if you want to make it on grill maker, then do not add the leaf over it. So you can add leaf after grilling. Now I'm adding some butter over it. And now apply this bread and toss a little with the help of this oil. Now these sandwiches are ready. Make another sandwiches similarly. Now this sandwich which I made on griddle is ready. Now you can cut down into 2 halves for making it more presentable. And you can eat it with the mayonnaise and some green ketchup or red ketchup. So if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. And guys, second way to make this sandwiches is the grilling way. So I have prepared these breads firstly. So now I'm taking this Skyline griller. You can see it clearly. Now once it gets properly cooked or properly heated, Now I'm adding some butter over it. So it requires a little butter. That's why I prefer to make the sandwiches over it. And now, without leave, I'm using these sandwiches, and the stuffing is the same that I used before. You can see the stuffing is same. Now put them into the grill maker and cover it and wait until the red light will appear. Once they are cooked, the light will burn. Now you can see that the grill sandwich with this grill will ready. So this is the second way to make the sandwiches. I will use the another sandwiches and I will show you how to make them presentable until they are grilled. So for grilling sandwiches, now guys, this two way of making the sandwiches, one the grill way and one the sandwiches on tawa is ready to eat. So now you can see these both look very tasty and easy, and I have cut down into the two pieces also. So if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my videos. If you like it guys, you can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also, Damini's Kitchen, and you can download my app Damini's Kitchen for directly access to my channel. Link is given in the description. So please download my app also. Thanks for watching it guys.